Welcome to the Pop Applause series. On 18 May 2023, a 5-judge bench of the Supreme Court held judgment on petition seeking to strike down a Tamil Nadu law that protects Jallikattu, affirming that bull-taming sport is a cultural heritage and is protected under Article 29, Subclause 1 of the Constitution. Peeping into the history, in the case Welfare Board of India versus A. Nagaraja, in 2014, a 2-judge bench banned 2 common sports practiced in the state of Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra, popularly known as Jallikattu and bullock cart race, ruling that bovine sports were contrary to the provisions of Section 3(11) Subclause 1, Subclause A and M of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960, which related to the duties of the person having charge of animals, also defining animal cruelty. But on 7 January 2016, a notification was issued by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, which prohibited the exhibition or training of bulls as performing animals, with an exception stated that the bulls, however, can be trained as performing animals at events such as Jallikattu in Tamil Nadu according to the customs and culture of the different communities. The notification also stated that the exception is subject to conditions such as reducing the pain and suffering of the bulls in the sport. Relying on the ruling of 2014, 2 years later, a batch of petitions was filed challenging the exemption of the notification. What is Jallikattu? Jallikattu is a traditional event known to be practiced during the Tamil classical period and was common among the Arya tribes. In Jallikattu, a bull such as Pulikulam and Kankayan breed is released into the crowd and multiple human participants attempt to grab the large hump on the bull's back and hang on it while the bull tries to escape. The purpose of holding the hump as long as possible was to try to stop the bull, showcasing strength and bravery. In some cases, the participants also ride the bull long enough to remove the flags tied to the bull's horn. It is a sport typically practiced in Tamil Nadu as a part of Pongal celebration on Mattu Pongal Day annually in January. Reasons for banning the practice: between 2008 and 2014, around 43 humans and 4 bulls were killed in Jallikattu event. In 2017, 23 deaths were reported along with around 2,500 human injuries and several instances of bull injuries. Concerns about animal welfare were raised regarding the handling of the bulls before they were released to the competitors, which included prodding the bull with sharp sticks or switches to extreme bending of the tail, which can fracture the vertebrae. It was also found that the bulls were fed alcohol in order to disorient them, with chili peppers being rubbed in their eyes to aggravate the bull. In 2017, Tamil Nadu amended the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act 1960, which sought to preserve the cultural heritage of Tamil Nadu, ensuring the well-being of the native breeds of bulls. Following this, the Supreme Court bench, then CJI Deepak Misra and Justice Rohinton Nariman, stated that Jallikattu issue involves substantial questions of interpretation of the Constitution. The Constitution bench was tasked to decide whether Tamil Nadu could preserve Jallikattu as its cultural right under Article 29, Subclause 1 of the Constitution. Following Tamil Nadu, the Karnataka Cabinet in January 2017 also decided to amend the PCA Act, making way for Kambala. This sport involves a pair of bulls tied to the plough and anchored by a person. The bull are then made to run parallel to a muddy track, and the fastest team is declared the winner of such a competition. In its judgment, the top court held that Tamil Nadu Amendment Act is not a piece of colorable legislation and that it relates to entry 17 of the list 3rd of 7th schedule to the Constitution, which relates to the prevention of cruelty to animals. The apex court held Jallikattu as bovine sport have to be isolated from the manner in which they were earlier practiced, and organizing the sport itself would be permissible in terms of Tamil Nadu rules. Please let us know your views on this, and to know more, please click the link below.